Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. This is a great time to be alive. I mean, it was a better time yesterday when Bitcoin almost hit 46,000. So, we're going to talk about a whole bunch of stuff. We're going to talk about Dogecoin. We're going to talk about Ethereum, Phantom, Solana. And guys and gals, you need to know this. You need to know this, that I'm going to show you there's huge manipulation yesterday. We had the CPI data that came out yesterday at 8:30 Eastern Central Time. And, when that happened, the markets dumped. And then suddenly, out of nowhere, boom, chakalaka, we saw that Bitcoin went uppity, up. And, and then suddenly we saw Bitcoin go tankity, tank. And we saw the broader markets are down, down. But I'm going to prove to you, I'm going to show you that the market makers are manipulating the markets yesterday. And we saw the longs got liquidated, the shorts got liquidated. It's like, up, let's take people, let's go down, let's freak everybody out. Let's crash Bitcoin down. And then after they wiped out all the short positions, the next thing we saw is boom, almost 46,000. And then the shorts got liquidated. So it's just like, come on, guys, wake up. You need to know this, that there's a huge market manipulation going on. And remember, go back and watch my other videos, guys and gals out there. And remember, this is not financial advice. It's just an OG in the house expressing his opinion. And this video is absolutely 100% chaka-laka-laka, 100% for educational purposes only. Remember, it's a crypto jungle. So if you're ready and I'm ready, let's go down the crypto rabbit hole. We're the OG in the house, guys. Let's get it. I'm all fired up, guys, because, the market manipulators, they're showing their tail, guys. The whales are manipulating the market, and they're trying to shake you guys out, shake the tree, guys, and make you drop your coins, guys, because I can just hear ding, tickling as they shake the tree and all the Bitcoins start going up. So yesterday we saw, like a landslide, the broader markets were down, the Dow was like down over 500%, but in retrospect, ladies and gentlemen, it wasn't a huge big sell-off. It was a slight sell-off, and a lot of the sell-off was due to this, guys. We all know that the inflation surge is 7.5 on an annual basis, even more than expected, highest since 1982, guys. So what that means, they were expecting around about 7.2. We got 7.5. And what happened was a lot of the traders on Wall Street started to panic and dump their stocks because they had kind of baked into the price about 7.2, and because it was worse than expected, they are worried that Jeremy Powell in the house, he's going to be more hawkish, and that the rate hikes that are coming in March are going to be even higher than expected. So that is one of the things. I mean, the Wall Street, they always panic too much. I mean, I think they just drink too much Starbucks or whatever. But, it is what it is, guys. So consumer price index for all items rose about 0.6% in January, driving inflation up. So we can see that the cost of stuff, you guys are going to buy a bag of groceries out there. It's going to cost you a lot more than it did the month before. And this is not good, guys. This is absolutely not good. I mean, I'm not saying that's one of the reasons I'm living in Asia right now, because it can be like cuckooville over in the U.S. sometimes with the inflation. But this year has been bad. It's been really bad. The inflation is really bad. So this marks the biggest gain since February 1982 and was even higher than Wall Street estimates. So I'm not making this stuff up. The OG is not just like making stuff up right here. This is real. This is happening. The inflation is there, guys. And that's why this is even more and more of a stronger evidence and my conviction that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are going to be going up in the future. Sure, it may not look like it right now, but, come on, Bitcoin is a hedge, guys. We only have less than 13% of all Bitcoin still on exchanges. 90% has been mined. The rest of it's been held in private hands, hardware wallets. Your little wallet that's your wallet that's on your phone. You guys are holding it. So, market recap. Inflation keeps rising. Stocks and crypto slide. Tank. Debbie Downer. And unexpected re-enter the markets. A soaring inflation leads investors to believe that the Fed may turn more hawkish than expected. So I told you that. That's why they sold off. They want to take cash, put it on the sidelines, because they know that the Fed's going to turn up the heat and turn up the and the rates are going to go up, guys. Absolutely. And market wise, yeah, it is what it is. As I said in my previous video, it is what it is, guys. Welcome to crypto. Welcome to volatility land. And guys and gals, if you can't stand the heat and you can't stand the pressure, get out. Go watch paint dry, guys. That's all I got to say about that. We're seeing that the fear and greed index, even though we had this like roller coaster ride yesterday, with Biddy going down and then shooting back up to 46,000. But if you look at the Bitcoin price right now, we're exactly where we were yesterday. Okay, so nothing has affected. Bitcoin basically came out unscathed. Okay, and these flash wicks to the upside that we're going to jump into is just there to fool you. Is there to basically make you panic, guys. So the whole thing is here. Stop leverage trading, guys. Stop it. Craziness in the house if you're leverage trading. So we're seeing the fear and greed index is absolutely unchanged, guys. It's absolutely unchanged. So that is good. So here we go, guys. Here we go. Here's the proof that there was pure manipulation happening right now. So you can see here, basically we had this whole candle here that went all the way down. That's when the CPI data came out. So you can see the CPI data came down. Then we had this huge candle that went ding all the way down, down. And sorry, right here, my bad. So we had this huge candle that went down, down. And now look at the timestamp. It was at 8:30 my time, which is 8:30 a.m. your time. So we had this huge tank all the way down here. And that was not good, guys. Absolutely not good. So from the top to the bottom, we went all the way down to here. We slid down about 4.2%, and then within a matter of minutes, then we reversed back up to the upside, went all the way up to around up 6%, and then what happened is, if you look at where we are now, we were here yesterday, right? So basically, we have just set our price around about $43,495 in the house. So I wouldn't panic too much. I mean, if you take a look at this on the daily chart, it is nowhere different than where we were yesterday, guys. So it's not a big deal. Look at the daily chart. So, where were we? At the same price on the 13th of January. Let's take a look here. I wouldn't panic about it too much. We were here on the 8th of February. We were here on the 9th of February. So we're back to square one. Nothing has been lost. But this is pure and simple manipulation in the house. And you can see more evidence. If we take a look at the leverage longs, let me just refresh this. Make sure you got all the minty fresh data. Let me get this popping out of there. So we're seeing about 287 million leverage longs got wrecked, guys. And if we look at the last 24 hours, you can see it's about mixed, right? 64% longs, and the balance is shorts. And just look at what's going on here. I'm not making this stuff up. You can see, if we go back to the 4-hour time frame, you can see, look, like wham, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am, wham. You can just see, look what happened, guys. This is the candle right here. This is it right there. And you can see exactly what happened yesterday is that it's almost equal amounts of longs and shorts got liquidated, and this was the market makers manipulating the market like crazy just to flush out all the leverage positions. I mean, luckily the amount of leverage positions that got wiped out was small. I mean, it was like 287 million, so it wasn't in the billions. So that's a good thing from that perspective, and that's why we're not seeing a whole bunch of craziness in the house. So let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly chart. We're still looking good. We're still looking pretty bullish. Wendy Trendy is your friend. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. The bull run is not over. We're definitely, in the springtime, in the summertime, we're going to be seeing $150,000, $200,000 biddy coming in. Now, if you guys want to go back and go back and watch this, I have some crazy predictions for Bitcoin, Ethereum, the layer ones out there for 2022, even Cardano. It'll blow your mind, guys. So get on over and watch that video right now. What are you waiting for? Get it. So things are still looking pretty good on the weekly. We're still above the horizontal support. So I'm not worried, guys. I am absolutely not worried. Sure, in March, there's probably going to be when the rate hikes come out from Jeremy Powell, there will be a tank. The markets will go down, and Bitcoin will probably go down anywhere, 5-10%. Get ready for that. Buckle up, guys. It's coming. It's absolutely coming. So JP Morgan puts Bitcoin at $150,000 in the long term. So this is good, guys. So this is good. Even JP Morgan is aping in there, and it's looking pretty good. So this is from Blake in the house, my brother Blake. And what he says is that, the current cycle has been extended. I've been talking about this time and time again, that the current bull run, from halving to where we are now, the cycles are getting extended. That is normal. And what we're seeing is a huge consolidation happening. And, this is very cool beans in the house. And we're seeing a consolidation. That is what consolidation, ups and downs, consolidation. And every time we hit the 1.618 Fibonacci level, we get a consolidation phase. So I believe, and he believes, and a lot of the TA out there believe that the blow off top is going to hit when we hit the 2.72 Fibonacci. And when we hit the 2.72 Fibonacci, this is often indicative of a blow off top, and we're going to see some highs coming in pretty soon. But if you zoom out, Wendy Trendy is your friendly, you can see that overall the trend is positive. Sure, we've had some peaks and valleys, we just had some highs and lows, but welcome to crypto. This is a volatile industry that we're in. But I really believe that things are going to be going up in the springtime. So you can see the Bitcoin cycle impulse corrections visualized by stablecoin supply ratio. So you can see that as the stablecoin supply ratio goes down, this will often indicate that we're going to have a reversal to the upside. And we're seeing that we're having a correction right now when it comes to stablecoin ratios on the 14-day moving average. And the next thing that's going to happen is we're going to hit an impulse wave to the upside, and that is going to take Bitcoin higher. That's going to take the Doji, Woja, Hauja, woof, woof, higher, guys. So it is a great time to be alive. Keep positive, guys. Keep positive. Keep watching. Smash the likes, guys. Show some love for the OG. And where is the super chats, guys? Altcoin's final run this spring. Be prepared. So it looks like, this is the consolidation of all the altcoins. This is all the cryptocurrencies with the exception of Bitcoin out of there. And we're seeing that if you zoom out, Wendy Trendy is your friendy, and every time that we have this this triangle pattern form, we often see a breakout to the upside for the altcoins. We're seeing exactly the same pattern that we saw in 2017 when we had a huge topside. We're going to see that happening, and I believe, and BTC Fuel in the house believes that in springtime it's going to be insane, guys. Go back and watch my other video. Go back and watch this right now. We talk about the craziest predictions for 2022. Get it, guys. Get over there. Watch that video. It'll blow your mind. It blew my mind. It blew my mind, guys. So altcoins are going to definitely rally in the springtime, and that's when we're going to see things going uppity up, guys. So things are looking pretty good. So this is also from Tech Dev in the house, and you can see right now, let me just get that over so we can we can see that we're seeing that the RSI is going to break out. We're seeing that the price is going to break out, and he is saying that when we hit this 2.272 Fibonacci, this is going to confirm $160,000 Bitcoin coming. And we're seeing that the correction for the RSI is going to be happening, and we're seeing the similar structure over and over and over again. These cycles have been elongated. This is just a consolidation phase that we're going through, and this is going to be the biggest and baddest pump in the history of Bitcoin and the crypto markets, and Doji Woji is looking pretty good, guys. So you guys know that the CPI data, it's out of there. We all know that it goes up 7.5 cents, a Debbie Downer. The inflation rate went from 5.5 to 6. So I wouldn't worry about it. I'm not phased. I don't care. I'm loving it. You're loving it, guys. So we're seeing this coming in. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu failed to make top 10. So we have seen that Shiba Inu and Dogecoin has fallen from the top 10 spot. That it's live, guys. Crypto is crypto, guys. Get used to it. Get with it. Wake up, smell the coffee. Stop being wet Nancy's. And guys, you need to understand diamond hands, dollar cost average. And even if you're not dollar cost averaging, all you can do is just wait it out, and things are going to go up. Wendy Trendy is your friendly, guys. Come on, wake up. And we're seeing right now, but overall, if you look at the market signals right now, Dogecoin is bullish, guys, and we're seeing that 54% are in the money and 42% are out. Now, yesterday when Dogecoin was over 16 cents, we saw this 55% were in the money and 41% were out. So, 42% were still out and 5% were at. So, I wouldn't worry about it, guys. Dogecoin is just doing what Dogecoin is doing. Dogecoin has been this huge descending triangle for a very long time, guys, and we will get out of it, guys. Let me just clean up this chart. What's going on with my chart? What's going on with my chart? So we've kind of been in this whole descending triangle for a very long time, and we are getting tired. Our Dogecoin needs to make some moves, guys. And all I can say is we have been in this descending triangle for a very long time, and we need Dogecoin to break above 16 cents. If Dogecoin cannot break above 16 cents, it's not going to be good for the Doji Woji, guys. But so far, Doji Woji has been looking pretty good. Let me clean up this chart, and you guys can see that we have this huge descending triangle right here, and we just need to break out, guys. You see, look at that. We had this huge descending triangle that went all the way back from SNL days. We did break out. All the way here, and here. We had these impulses, right? We had these two big impulses, and I believe, and these impulses took us up to 22 cents, and I believe that we are being supported here, and time again, when we hit the support line, I believe that we're going to see a huge impulse. But also, too, we can see a beautiful pattern here, and I don't know if you guys are aware of it. We have a beautiful cup and handle pattern, guys. It's a perfect cup and handle pattern, and that tells me that we're going to see another impulse just like this very soon to the upside. But the question is, if we have the impulse up to 21 cents, can Dogecoin hold? And what is going to make Dogecoin hold that impulse to the upside is going to be the Bitcoin price. If Bitcoin price is above 45,000 or more, when we see that impulse above 21 cents, then we will see Dogecoin will hold. If not, then we're going down, guys. We're going down, and we're going to go down to 14 cents, 13 cents in the house, guys. So we got some huge support here at 13 cents. So my next line in the sand for Dogecoin, if we don't break up the upside out of this cup and handle pattern, which is bullish, is 13 cents. That's what it is, guys. I ain't going to tell you, it's pie in the sky. It's a unicorn. It's not pink unicorns out there. If Dogecoin don't break out on a positive way from this huge cup and handle on the daily chart, then we're going to get a huge rejection, and we're going down to 13 cents. That's all I got to say about that. And you can see we've had these big impulses before, and we've had rejection. But you can see there's been a big consolidation. Impulse, consolidation, impulse, consolidation. Now these consolidations are we're creating lower lows, guys, not higher lows, lower lows. So we need one more impulse up here, and we need Bitcoin's price to correlate and coincide to take it higher, guys. If not, wham! We're going to see Dogecoin go down to 13 cents. That's all there is to that. And then we're going to have to wait till summer or springtime. So what is my prediction for Dogecoin right now? I don't know. I can't tell you. It really depends on this cup and handle pattern. If it plays out on a bullish, then good. We're going up to 21 cents in the short term. If it doesn't, then we could be lingering. We could be going back down to around these levels here, around about 13 cents, 13 cent level, and we could just be hanging out there. We could be hanging out there for quite some time, guys, around 13 cents. And that's all there is to it. So, but long term, I'm bullish. 2025, we're going to see $2, $3 Bitcoin coming in, Dogecoin coming. Excuse me. And I'm not panicking, guys, because remember, I'm a long-term holder. I'm a long-term holder of Dogecoin and my crypto. I ain't a trader, guys. I ain't no trader. I ain't no leverage ape. I'm an investor, so I'm holding, guys. I'm holding. And basically, I'm holding all my crypto. I'm giving it to my son. That's what I'm doing. I'm giving it to my son. I don't need it. I mean, how many cars can you drive, right? How many houses can you live in at the same time? Exponentially, if you got like 3 or 4 cars already, how many more you need, right? If you got, like 3 or 4 houses and apartments, how many more you need, right? Okay. You feel me? So, I'm an investor, guys. That's all there is to it. Let's take a look at the Doji Woji. Hey, Doji Woji announces a metaverse project, and now we're seeing that we got, Shiba Inu is getting into metaverse land. You can buy land now on the Shibarium and all this kind of stuff. So this is pretty cool for Shiba Inu right now. So, meme coin and Dogecoin rival Shiba Inu is selling virtual land in their recently announced metaverse. So this is cool, guys. I mean, I don't want to be, I'm not dissing, but Shiba Inu is doing a lot that Doge ain't doing, okay? I wish Doge had some of these things that Shiba Inu is doing. I love the Doge. I'm a Doge max. I love the Doge. And you should love the Doge too. But Shiba Inu is killing it in terms of, its utility across everything. It's got a DEX, it's got smart contracts, it's got metaverse, it's going to have a play to earn game soon. I mean, let's hope that Shiba Inu is not, expanding too much and it kind of like goes and implodes, guys. So just keep an eye on that. I mean, I'm holding. I mean, I'm not holding Shiba Inu. My wife is. You guys know the whole story about that. That she, behind my back, started buying Shiba Inu like crazy, and she didn't tell me, right? Oh no! And then suddenly she's like, "Hey, guess what? Guess what, husband? I bought Shiba Inu, and I'm making a ton." Oh, thank you very much. Okay. I mean, she used my money to buy it, right? I mean, joint accounts and stuff. So it's actually my money that she used to buy it, but it's actually her money now. You feel me? If you guys are married, you know what I'm talking about, right? You know what I mean, guys? It's like, when we go to the department store and then we come back home with a new laptop or something, the wife is like, "Hey, you didn't ask me if I can buy that. What? You didn't get my permission to buy that? What?" But when the wives go shopping and they come back with like, a Louis Vuitton or Prada bag, and if we say to them, "Hey, what are you doing? You didn't ask our permission," they look at you like, "What? I don't need your permission. What's yours is mine, and what's mine is yours." You know what I mean? So, it's a two-way street, guys. If you're married, you know what I'm talking about. Much love in house, guys. And don't forget, Valentine's is coming up. Do not forget to buy gifts, chocolates, flowers, whatever it is for your wives and girlfriends out there. If you forget, you know what's going to be happening. Woof, woof, you're going to be in a doghouse, guys. So okay, all silliness aside, we're seeing that the Shiba Inu is down, down. And it's down because Bitcoin took a tank, guys. And we're seeing that for Dogecoin. We're seeing that for Shiba Inu. But the velocity of the downward trend for Shiba Inu is a lot greater than it is for Dogecoin right now, because Shiba Inu had that huge pump because it got the metaverse, we got the play to earn, all that stuff, guys. So there's a little bit more volatility on the Shiba Inu, also because the price is so low too, so you're going to see some more volatility. So right now Shiba Inu is at 3022 in house. So guys, just keep holding. I mean, you hold to 2025, Shiba Inu is going to be worth more than it is now. So it's a win-win, right? In the short term, you're going to see peaks and valleys. But this is the thing. The newbies out there, the people that just got into crypto like 6 months ago, 8 months ago, they panic. Every time there's this volatility spike, they panic and go nuts out there. Stop it, guys. I've been in crypto a long time. All I got to tell you is it's going to go up, it's going to go down, but you got to zoom out and look at the overall trend. And the trend for crypto, I mean, sure, there's going to be some projects out there that are going to blast out to the moon and then suddenly disappear, okay? I mean, look at Saitama right now. Saitama's in the toilet right now. Saitama's down like 70, 80%. I mean, soon that thing's going to be worth nothing if it continues going what it is. So, you know what I mean? Some meme coins are good, some meme coins are not good. I'm not dissing on Saitama, okay? But just look at the price, right? It's down like 78%, okay? So, if you bought near the top, you almost got nothing left, okay? So that is what it is. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is at $3,081. But guys and gals, we were here before. We were absolutely here before. Let me get my face is always in the way. Please. So on the 9th we were here. We were here before on the 8th. So we've been here before, guys. It's not like we have not been here before. So we have been here before. It's nothing to panic about. I mean, if Ethereum took a tank and went down to 2,700, then I'd be going, yeah, this is a big correction. But overall, I'm still bullish on Ethereum long term. Take the long term view on Ethereum, and you'll be just fine, guys. So let's take a look at Phantom in house. What is with my face today? I just can't get things right. So we see Phantom is breaking down. It's at $2.10. 10 cents, yada, yada, yada. That's because Bitcoin is down, la, la, la. We got the CPI data, la, 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 la. So what do I see long-term for Phantom? I see the blue skies, heaven above for Phantom. Do not look on daily time frames. Zoom out. Wendy Trendy is your friendly. You're going to be just fine, guys. You're going to be just fine. Same thing for Solana. Solana took a huge dumpity dump. This is from the CPI data, and it caused a huge 8.54% dumpage in the house. So it is what it is, guys. That's crypto. Welcome to crypto. Am I selling my Solana now? No, I'm holding on to my Solana because I believe all the layer 1 solutions are going to be going up the up. And if you look at the total on chain for the, let me get out of here. Let me make sure I give you guys the data. What is wrong with my face? It's always in the way. I'm getting tired of my face. Getting tired of my face. So if you look at the total TVL locked on all change, Ethereum right now is holding 59% of that, and then we got Terra Luna is in there, BSC, Avalanche, Phantom, Solana, Polygon. Nothing has really changed from yesterday. You can still see the total TVL on chain is going uppity up, guys. It's going up. I mean, look at the Avalanche. It's up 17% in the last 7 days. Polymatic is making some moves. So this is not financial advice, but these are the layer 1 solutions that you definitely want to be looking at. You may want to consider having these in your portfolio. Remember, this is not financial advice, but these are some things I'm holding long term. I think these are going to be key, guys. Ethereum is a king daddy, and you want to have a good diversification in these layer 1 solutions. Now, I don't like Tron. Okay, if you're a Tron holder, don't beat me up. Chronos, Osmosis, I don't know anything about, as I said in my previous videos. Polkadot, yes. Harmony, I've been holding that baby a long time. Harmony is going to make some moves, guys. I love Harmony. So with that being said, guys, let's take a look at the total market cap. Let's get out of here. Get you out of here. And we're seeing that the total market cap is down below 2 trillion. Not a good place to be. We're at 1.99 trillion. And we're seeing that the volumes are okay, though, picking up at 76.97. Bitcoin dominance is up. That's because people panicked and they sold a lot of their altcoins out there. That's what the newbies do. They retail investors, they panic in the house, and that's what they do. So we're still seeing Bitcoin is at 43,299. It's still up 16.73% for the last 7 days. It's also in the green over the last 30 days, so it's not too bad. Ethereum is up for the week, but down for the month and down for the day. And let's take a look. What we got, BNB is up for the week as well. We're seeing Cardano is up for the week, but down for the last 24 hours. Solana is down as well. It took a beating today. Avalanche is up, guys, so that's positive news. Way to go, Avalanche. And we're seeing basically everything is down. Doge is down 5.74%. It's trading at 15.12. So we need to hold that 15 cent level. Come on, Doge. So I think this weekend is going to be very volatile in the house, guys. So watch out. We could see some more dumpage over the weekend. So don't panic in the house. So guys, with that being said, I'm going to end it right here. Please go and follow me on my Twitter. We need 20 more people to hit $4,000. Hello, 4,000 followers. Ding! Oh, geez, too early. I need my coffee. So, guys, go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, YB in the house. I appreciate it. Don't forget the super chats. And go down there and don't forget to subscribe too. Check out my links. Remember, this is not financial advice. Become a Patreon member and buy the channel coffee. Don't forget to check out the NFT collections. Get on over there, guys. If you're interested, DM me on Twitter. And you got to go to the Wi-Fi channels and music. Get it right now. And don't forget to check the merch. We got lots of merch, guys. Go and check the merch, guys. So overall, yes, Debbie Downer day. Yes, I know it. Lots of volatility coming this weekend. So, guys, brace for impact, guys, because it's going to be a volatilic day, volatilic weekend. Is that a word, volatilic? I don't know. I just made someone add it to the dictionary. So I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Booyah, chakalaka. Peace out, guys. God bless. See you in the next one. Woo! Let's get it, guys.